Smarter balanced items and tasks will elicit evidence that students have the ability to integrate knowledge and skills across multiple assessment targets and are ready to meet the challenges of college and careers. Items and tasks must be constructed at various levels of cognitive rigor. Smarter Balanced has defined 4 levels of depth of knowledge. The first level focuses on recall and reproduction of facts and other types of information. The second level focuses on basic skills and concepts that require cognitive processes that extend beyond the recall of information. The third level focuses on strategic thinking and reasoning. The fourth and final level requires extended thinking that includes complex reasoning, planning, development, and cognition that occurs over an extended period of time. Let's take a look at a sample item for each of the 4 levels of depth of knowledge. This is a Grade 8 item that is coded to Depth of Knowledge Level 1. This item requires students to recall the rules for exponents to evaluate each expression and select the expression or expressions with a value between 0 and 1. This is a Grade 8 item that is coded to Depth of Knowledge Level 2. This item requires students to use the formula for the volume of a cylinder as well as a basic understanding of rate to calculate the number of minutes Jane will take to fill the water tank. This is a Grade 8 item that is coded to Depth of Knowledge Level 3. This item requires students to perform calculations in order to respond to each part. In addition, students are required to provide an explanation for each answer. This is a description for a Grade 8 performance task that is coded to Depth of Knowledge Level 4. This item requires students to use concepts of geometry, numbers and operations, and statistics to determine the best solution to a problem where all constraints cannot be satisfied at the same time. Additionally, the student must provide justifications to support reasoning. Students are expected to engage with the task for an extended period of time, up to 120 minutes. The depth of knowledge levels defined by Smarter Balanced are informed by the Cognitive Rigor Matrix. The Cognitive Rigor Matrix combines 2 common taxonomies that categorize levels of cognition and shows how the Smarter Balanced depth of knowledge categories relate to these taxonomies. Here, the concept of remembering information only relates to the first depth of knowledge level. In contrast, evaluation does not relate to either of the first 2 levels of depth of knowledge. This table, which can be found in the Smarter Balanced Content Specifications for Mathematics, is a useful aid for guiding the development of items at different depth of knowledge levels.